How to get a public profile on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to get a public profile on Snapchat, you want to launch open the Snapchat app on your device, make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down and get to the privacy control section. Here, tap on contact me. You want to select friends and contact over here. After that, head back. Here, tap on View My Story. If you have the Everyone option here, tap on Everyone. Then head back. Next, you want to tap on See My Location. You want to turn off the ghost mode here and select My Friends over here. Then tap on See Me in Quick Add. Check the box that says Show Me in Quick Add. By adjusting these settings, you will get a public profile on Snapchat, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.